Now it's time to scrapbook with Terry Rice. She is so nice. You should come and join her. And now here she is, that scrapbooker extraordinaire, Scrappin' Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. And singer. Okay, today I'm going to show you my collection of Session, and I am going to use Mintay's Homemade. It's from 2020, and I have not even touched it except for cutting out the fussy cut sheet that you get on the top. So that's all I've done so far, and so I'm just going to show you the collection. So it's almost 4 years old. So pretty. Peaches and blues, kind of that dusty blue. And this is paper 1, front and back. Here's paper 2, front and back. So it's got an embroidery hoop. Window seat. Oh, here's the other side. I thought I had each flipped. So you know I like a gingham. Here's some more of the embroidery hoops. And then this collage paper, which I just love, love, love this. These beautiful doors. Beautiful floral, and it looks like it's on a, like the flowers are laying on a patterned sheet to me. Because you can see like the creases in the fabric, or like it's, actually the flowers kind of look the same, like it's a floral sheet. And then we have the 3x4 cards. And here's the 3x4 cards on the other side. What you have, it's like lots of times I end up cutting these out. Sometimes I've done a collage of photos and left these. Okay, and let me pull up a background here. Okay, so I have all the fussy cut pieces. And let's see, I've got a tray here. I love these trays. I got them at the Dollar Tree. No, I didn't. Got them at the Dollar General. And I think I collected about 6 of them. I only see 4 here. So there's all these like bath essentials, florals, ribbon, or I guess this is probably the craft room. That's what I'm thinking, since I got a spool of ribbon. Got a pretty chair, some cups, another spool of ribbon. Here's a piece of wood, embroidery hoop, tag. Now I only bought these, I didn't buy any other embellishments. So if I run out of embellishments, I will be just cutting into those 3x4s. But I've added some things, so, and then here's a little coffee cup, or coffee pot. Now I will cut these out before I actually use them. And then these little decorative, I don't even know what those are called, but I've had them and done floral arrangements with them. So that's those things. Let me move that since it's shiny. I've got a peach doily that is pretty close to the color of the rose there. I got a white one, and I just put these in because it's like I can go get more if I need them. I have this little crochet heart, so I thought I would put that in there. And then I've also added Floral Book number 9 because it has these colors that I thought would look well with this. and this would be adding a little darker blue and maybe a little brown in it. So I thought that would be a nice addition in case I ran out of embellishments. I also brought these. I have, they're brads, and they're the real brads. But I've got one peachy one here, one peachy one here. And then I thought these were kind of light enough I could use them. So I'm putting that in. I was looking to see if there was one behind there. So I just thought that would give me a couple of brads, and that would also remind me I can just go get some brads. And then I have these keyholes, and I thought they kind of reminded me of this you know, the door. It's got the doors, so I thought the keyhole would be nice. So I've got two dark larger ones and two white smaller ones. And then I have this. It's from K&Co, and it says family and friends, our family and friends. And it looks like a postal mark, but it's metal. And it's got a little bit of that that rose gold in there, but I thought that would look good with it. Actually, it looks kind of copper more than rose gold, I think. And then I thought I would put these in. They are stencil markers, or stencil mark it says. And it's like I think it's used like a paper clip, but it's got numbers on it. So I thought maybe I'd like that. I got it Tuesday morning, it looks like. It's Tim Holtz. And I have some, I was using the ribbon slides, and I haven't used them for a while. So I thought I'm gonna bring these in. Now, when I'm looking at them, I think I would rather have these because it looks like the door handle. So, but I just thought I'd put in the whole container. And then I also, those ones are pretty fancy, and then I also have these larger plain ones. So I thought I'd bring those along too. And I think they don't really fit, but I'll just leave them in there anyway. And then because I haven't used them and kind of forgot, you know, it's like you don't pull something out and then you kind of forget you have it. So I thought I'd pull in some of these die cuts, and then it would remind me. And I have to tell you that I had went through the buttons in my closet, and there was some I wanted to use on that collection that's, it's called Boho Sunshine, and I forgot all about them, and I found them today. So I'm gonna put in some of these things just to remind me that I have them. And then I also thought I would put in this. It has, now there is some luggage in some of these. And so it's like, you know, I might use it for, I'm trying to find one. Like here's some luggage here. And so I thought maybe I would even use it for something from, oh, my vacation or something. So I put in, you know, I thought, okay, I'll bring in this. It's got luggage, it's got teacups, and you know, there's cups here. It's got little cupcakes, and there's also teapots in here, and little houses. So I thought I'd just go ahead and put this in too, because that way it'd remind me to use some wood shapes if I need to. And so I just want to be able to, you know, remind myself to use these things that I have. So I thought I'm just going to put in all these things, and we'll see what I come up with. I love having all these different fun embellishments. So that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye. I forgot to say, anybody else that's playing will be listed down below, and so you can just click on that link or open up that bottom and click on any of the links and go to whoever you want to see. And hopefully you get to see them all by the time the day is over, or, you know, whenever you have a chance. So thank you again for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.